Hi! In front of me is Lenovo TAB 4.8 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. Firstly, open Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. So Ceramics click. Then click on this gear icon at the top right corner, click on App Permissions and pick one of your device's features, like Location. Now select one of those apps, for example Calendar, and click on the switcher next to it. As you can see, Calendar just gained access to this device location. If you wish to deny it, click at the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!